Hi folks, welcome to Naturally Curious UK. You join me on a fine, sunny but very cold morning here in Cadwell Heath. I'm in the local park, St Cad's Park, and apologies if the camera's jittering a bit. I'm holding it by hand and it's quite cold, so I'm shivering slightly. But yeah, the sun is out, so the birds are taking the chance to catch some rays of sun high up in some of the trees here, so I'm just going to show you some of those. So enjoy, and I'll catch you again soon. High in the treetops, there's no better colour than the black of this carrion crow to help absorb some solar energy on a cold winter's day. We can hear plenty more off camera. Lower down, amongst the lichen covered branches, this robin is also in full sun. In the top of this ash tree, these starlings are still very spotty following their autumn moult. These spots, or stars, are what gave the bird its name. As the feather tips wear through the winter, the spots will fade, revealing more of the underlying iridescence in time for the mating season. In this revealing light, there's already some sheen to be seen on this individual. We could hear them just now while we were looking at the starlings. Now we can see one, a ring-necked parakeet. And here's a couple more. An alternative name for them is rose-ringed parakeet. And as we watch these two preening, we get glimpses of why. And now we're getting sound clues for our next species. Here it is, great spotted woodpecker. The commonest of the three woodpecker species we have in the UK. The others being the green woodpecker and the lesser spotted, which is the rarest of the three. The red on the back of the head of this great spotted woodpecker marks it out as an adult male. So yeah, on a cold winter's day, the birds like to do a bit of sunbathing, and why not? Got to take every chance you can to absorb the goodness of the sun if you're a wild animal. So hope you enjoyed that. Join me again soon here on Naturally Curious UK. Meanwhile, as always, stay safe, stay sane, stay curious, and keep enjoying the wonders of nature God has blessed us with. Cheers.